Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am sjacquisj. Welcome back guys. So today I'll be doing a collaboration with the NaturAll hair company. Yes. Yes, you heard me right. NaturAll hair company. Yes. So I did a review on their product. If you guys watched the previous video, if you haven't, I'll put the link to the description. I'll put the link in the description box down below for that video. On that video I actually only used their deep conditions. So this will be actually their full line. I'll be doing a collab with them. They sent me their full line of products. I can't even hold everything, but here's a little bit of what I got. Start with the shampoo. I did get their Avocado cleansing shampoo. I have not tried their shampoo before, so I am excited to see exactly how this is going to work. If you know me and you've watched my channel before, you know that I'm not a fan of shampoo. I only use it once a month. I just hate the way that it makes your hair feel, and my hair doesn't like it. It's just pineapples. It's a no-go. No-go for the shampoo. So they did send me the shampoo. I also got the Avocado hydrating conditioner, so I'm going to be trying this. Sounds like it's not too liquidy, like it might be a little thick, so I'm gonna see what this consistency is gonna be looking like. And then we got the leave-in conditioner. Everybody knows this is gonna be life or death. This is gonna make or break the leave-in condition. This is gonna be it right here. I also got the pure avocado oil, the medium hold avocado curl custard. Now, if you a curl girl, or you a girl would like to slick them edges down or wear these little puffs, y'all see my, look at this y'all. Side note, do y'all see these curls pushing through? Yes, waves, making me sick up in here y'all. Okay, so let's get back to this. This is a medium hold, so I'm not really sure if there's a levels to this holding gel right here. I'm gonna have to find out for you guys and see if there's like a lightweight or a heavy or anything like that, but right now this is a medium. Hopefully my hair takes a medium. Doesn't actually smell bad at all. So this, let me let y'all see what this is looking like. So this is the jelly. I can't wait to see what this is gonna do. I think this is gonna be really good wash and go. We're gonna see. And then lastly, I got some deep condition for dry hair. I do have I'm gonna put that in there. No need to waste the product. Might as well just go and put it on these curls, you know. All right, so this is the deep condition. I got the solution for dry hair because that is my issue. My hair does not like to hold any moisture. I have that issue a lot. So hopefully these products help and come in handy with this. I'm so excited to try all of this.
Let's get into it.
We're gonna start by just taking this out. We don't need to get that out of there. Conditioner was working out pretty great for me, so I'm just gonna let this continue to sit on my hair for about 45 minutes, add my bag, and I'm just gonna keep it pushing, y'all. In the meantime, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and stay tuned to the end of the video. I have a super huge surprise for you guys. So now I'm just going to continue to put in my leave-in conditioner, my medium hold gel, and at the end I will use my avocado oil. So for right now I'm just going to go ahead and go in section by section and do some 2-strand twists. I wish you guys could feel my hair right now because this is so freaking soft, y'all. Let's get back to it. So like what's really going on, like I've never been able to just use this really small comb to detangle through a section of my hair, so I'm a bit shook, you could say, maybe a little bamboozled or confused, or I don't know, I'm not even sure like what the hell is in this jar of amazingness. I'm just trying to figure out, like, a girl is real shook right now. A girl is just like, everybody, so as you can see, this is how my hair had came out. Curls is popping, definition is definitely defined, and the moisture is real. Before I even added the little oil at the end, my hair was holding so much moisture this morning, it was ridiculous. I was showing you previously my hands after I touched my hair because the shine that was left on my hands before I even put the oil on was just showing me how much moisture my hair was actually holding. And I'm actually pretty surprised the fact that it's so soft. My curls came out a lot more defined than my usual twist outs, so I am very excited about that. Hair is popping, curls is popping, Q is popping, yes. So if you are wanting to get any of the products I used earlier in this video, the description, the link will be left in the description box down below. And I also have a great surprise for you guys. You guys wanted to know what the big surprise was going to be. I will be hosting a giveaway in collaboration with the NaturAll Hair Company. We will be collabing on doing a giveaway. So you guys will receive everything that I used in my video today. The shampoo, the conditioner, the deep conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, your whole gel, and your 100% avocado oil. So we will give you guys an entire box, the full line of products. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video so much. Stay tuned for the rules. We'll be right back. During this time, you're gonna want to go ahead and take these rules down. Rule number 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's the only rules you have to follow. Make sure you click on the link in the description box in order to enter this giveaway. You will not be entered in the giveaway if you do not enter through the link in the description box, guys. Please click the link in the description box. Thank you. Good luck to everyone. Like and subscribe. You can find every product that I used today down in the description box. Click that link. Go ahead, get your products. And if you don't want the full entire line, that's fine. You guys can order the shampoo if that's all you need. The conditioner if that's all you need. Some of this if you don't order anything else, you better order this, because if you need any type of slick down bun, some type of laying down edges, or any type of wash and go, holy grail. Holy grail. I need them to send me another bottle of this in the maximum size that it comes in, because this right here, yes, this was everything. This product was this product was everything. My second favorite product in this line definitely will have to be this leave-in conditioner. Why? Because doing your leave-in conditioners and your wash and goes with your jellies is probably the number one thing that I use on a daily basis. So if I had to say my favorite thing in the box was definitely the gel and the leave-in conditioner together. Wash and goes, ponytails, afros, curls, whatever you want, whatever you're gonna do, get you some of this. Get you some. I need them to send this to me in like XXL, like for real. Like they need to send me the big, you know how the Eco Styler gel come in that huge bottle, or back in the day when you get a perm and it was already pre-mixed and it come in the huge gallon thing. I need that. NaturAll Company, I need y'all to holler at me with this right here, because this was the holy grail. I will be taking this with me everywhere I go. This will be a go-to, come to everything hairstyle go-to. Y'all need to get this. And I think I like it because it doesn't have like a really bad smell, and there's no alcohol, so good for edges, ponytails, whatever you want to do. So back to this hair though. Did y'all see these curls? Did y'all see how they was popping? They so soft, y'all. And I noticed that my detangle was very easy. So if you paid attention throughout the video, I didn't do any detangling throughout the whole time I washed my hair, from the time I took my ponytail out to the time I actually put in the leave-in conditioner in the gel. That was the only time I actually started to detangle, and I was able to detangle for the first time with only using the rake method, which is using your hands. I actually used the dimming brush throughout just to show you guys how easy it would be to detangle if you did wanted to use the dimming brush to detangle your hair, but I chose not to and detangle at the end, just because I really wanted to see how deep these products work on type 4 hair. So I don't want to just put myself in a box and say I only have type 4 hair, like 4C, 4A, 4B, because if you pay attention, I really do have a lot of different textures. Back here it will start at 4C, and then I feel like it goes up to 4A, B, I'm sorry, 4C, 4B, 4A. And then as you get anywhere past the ear range, I feel like my hair is type 3. So it'll be type 3A and then 3B. That's kind of what I feel like I'm working with. So if you're asking me what kind of type of hair I have, I think I have type 3 and type 4, type 3A, B, and C, and type 4A, B, and C. So Millie rock on that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to get the curls to all eventually match. A lot of this hair up here had a lot of heat damage at the beginning, so thank you NaturAll, because y'all sure brought these curls out. But I'm super excited, guys. I thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I am sjacquisj.